the pretest 1. So you can open that if you want. Let me start the recording. Continue and confirm. Okay. Let me see here. Share. Okay. Okay, mail. Where is my mail? It's open. All right. So this is your pretest 1. Okay. So you make sure that you start from the beginning. This is Condor Company, and it's a company that sells pet supplies. You've been asked to automate, and so we are basically automating it on the 1st of October, 2025. Just change the dates if you have, if you see it. Your fiscal period is January 1, 2025. Fiscal end is December 31, 2025, and the earliest transaction is 01 October 2025. And you must delete, modify, or add the following items to the chart of accounts. In addition, you must add customers, vendors, employees, and inventory items. You will be required to add opening balances from the trial balance and link accounts based on your knowledge of the software. So I've already sent you the Sage 50. The file is already there. The chart of accounts is already given. And so you just have to add and there you go. So if you notice here, you go company, you go chart of accounts. Here's the chart of accounts. So they are going to ask you to add some accounts, delete some accounts, so that you start to see as to how they are done. And there are some other additional steps before we actually set it up. So you won't have to put in your chart of accounts. It'll be given to you, and they'll ask you to add or delete some, change the class types, and then default some of the preferences. What we did there under setup, we have user preferences, then setup and settings. So, but it's all my pretests. They're basically more than what they're going to ask you. So we will take a look at, let me see, I will make it a little smaller here. So what they're asking you to do, the first thing is you must delete, modify. So if you take the printout of your first page, and then you can print out the whole thing. I think how many pages are there? There are about 4 or 5 pages. So just make sure back to back you can do them. You can do 7 pages. Actually, 8 pages. Go 4 pages back to back. So this way, when I'm reading it, because I can't go back and forth all the time here, it'll take you forever. But let's see here. For the moment, I will go in the beginning. So if you stop sharing and you share your exercise, it says, this is what they said: delete the following account. So obviously you don't know how to do it, but that's why we practice it. This number, this, and these numbers, and then modify the following account. Now, so long as I've told you in the last course too, if so long you don't have any balances in your chart of accounts, you can change the number and the name. But once you have a balance, you cannot change the number. The name can be changed, but so we'll just go with the changing or deleting the account. So they are asking you first to delete 1500. So you go company, you go chart of accounts, and you can delete everything from there, the accounts you want to delete. So 1500 is right here. 1500. How come they don't have 15? They ask you for 1500. Let me see. Yeah, okay. Inventory. Delete the following accounts: 1590, 1500. Oh, they're already deleted. 1080, 1083. Hold on. Let me see. So let me see if the next one is, because sometimes I don't really know if I've done this already or not. So modify 2230, WCB payable, WCB payable. Okay, anyway, so take a look here. And in order to delete, you can just click on, let me see if there is an account I can delete. We'll just delete it and then recreate it. It's okay. So any account you want to delete here, you can delete it. And what you do is you take, let's say we're going to delete prepaid expenses, click on it, and you see this icon, either here or you go File. This is 1300. File and remove. And if you say yes, there's another confirmation. It's a confirmation window. And let me do it. And this is 1300 prepaid expenses and deposits. So you notice 1300 disappeared. So I can just go, because I think that part might have been already done on this. I don't know why, because nothing is here. And then you go File, create 1300. Prepaid expenses and deposits, and just save it, close. So you can delete any ones you want from here.
You are not sharing, Mr. Tarek, what you are doing.
Yes, I am.
Also, maybe I have problem. Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay.
So they are just small windows to confirm. That's it. This is why you don't see them.
Small window I cannot show. It doesn't show up for some reason. Some of the windows, when we say, like, if I click here, here's a small window for confirmation. And if I go and I try to show you, it won't show. Then my whole SH50 disappears on my sharing. So I can't really show you that. So some of the smaller confirmation windows, I can't really show you. They appear there, but I can't really show them to you. So okay, so that's why I tell you. But it's a little window, yes or no. I mean, you can, when you come to it, you don't have to really see it. You will, if you want to delete it, you say yes. Or okay. I think it's okay, or yes or no, something like that. Anyway, Let me see. I'll show you. I'll tell you what they say. It says yes or no.
It's okay.
So then we have the next thing they're asking you is after we have deleted all the accounts, and they say modify the following accounts. So they ask you to modify 2230. So let's see here, 2230. It's right here. It's CSST payable, but they are saying that you have to call it, no, WCB payable should read CSST payable. So I think this part has already been done. Okay. So, okay, let WCB payable, let me do that. And here. So they're saying that go to 2230. It says WCB payable, and you should call it CNNEST payable. Let me see. CSST payable, even though now it's CNESST. I'm sure you took that course, did you? CSST payable. CSST payable. And you save and close. Then they said, then they're asking you to change. Let me see. 5440, and it should be, instead of WCB expense, it should be read 5480. So here they're changing the number and the name. So long as you have no balance, you can do that. So 548. So in here, they actually, let me see, what is it that they wanted to change? They said WCB expense to 5440. Fine. And WCB expense. So if you go to 5440, click on 5440. Let me show you on the. So this window will appear. And what you do is it says that change the number and the name. Change the number to 5480. So long as you have no balance, it's okay. They will let you change the number and the name. And this should be CSST expense. And notice this will disappear, 5440, it will become 5. Okay, so let me see. And you see this here, 5480 CSST expense. So it's the same. Let me see more. Okay, 1400 total current assets should reach 1599. The total current assets. Okay. So
hello, sir. Hello. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Can you hear me, sir?
Pardon?
Yeah, sir. My charts of account are totally different from yours.
Are they?
The charts of account.
Yeah.
It's different from yours.
What are they?
You know the 5480. this is CSTT expense, SST expenses. Like you change it, become like that. It's already like that in my accounts.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes,
That
yes.
that's what I'm trying to tell you, that it has already been changed. I must have
Okay.
used, it must have been a file I took in which this one was already done.
Okay, so that's already done.
Yeah, so now it used to be this. So for example, 1400.
Okay, okay.
So they're saying if you have your exercise, then you should
Okay.
take, if you read it, it says 1400. Total current assets should read 1599. So we have to change it. They are saying modify it.
Okay.
So you go here and you click on this, and then you get into that small gray window where you create your accounts, and you just change it to 1599 and say save and close. And now notice you should have it because I sent you that file, which was already done. This is the same file, except I'm just making it back into the original one and trying to show you how to change it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. And so I will send you the new file because this must have, I have a few files there with the same name. And so here you go here. And so stop sharing. And so notice here, I changed the 1400. Now I just changed to 1599. You already have it. So what I did before what I was doing, I was changing it first for you and then showing it how to change it. And now you must have the same as what I have, no? They're all the same right now, if you see. They shouldn't have been. They should have been basically those numbers should have been these numbers. Take a look. They should have been 2230. So I changed it, the name WCP payable, I changed it to CSST payable. 5440, it would have been, if it wasn't changed, then it would have been originally WCB expense should read 5480. So they're asking you to change both the number and the name. So I changed the number and the name. Then they said 1400, which I just showed. Originally it should be 1400. And they said that 1400 should be 1599 for total current assets. For example, 1520, it should have been 1520 inventory A. That's what it should have had. For example, let's see here. Okay. So they changed it to inventory. Where is my inventory? Checking. Let me see, what did I do? Inventory A should read 1500, inventory type G. So then, okay, so here, maybe we can just, because they don't have it here. So we go create 1500 inventory. And they're saying group account is G. That's what they're saying. Okay. So we got inventory 1500. And then you have the next thing they're asking you is current earnings should read net income. I don't know if that is done. See, this is already changed. See here, you cannot change the number. This is given by, see, this is Before you change it, it says current earnings. That's what it said. Okay. See here? This is what it said. They're saying it should read, so change the name only. It should read net income. So you go click, and all you can do here is change it to, if you see here, net income. You can't change anything else in this because it's a number given by the system. Save and close. And then they said change 4200, 4220, 4240, change to type A, subgroup accounts. So if you notice here, let me show you what they are asking you. Let me revert it to the original part. Okay, so you have 4200, 42,240. You see, this is a subgroup account here. So I'll make it back to what it was. So let me show you in its original form. When they gave you the in the chart of accounts, take a look there, G, right? So they're saying, could you please make it to A, subgroup, means they want a subtotal, right? Like these. They want to have a subtotal of sales less your sales returns, less your sales discounts. So all these 4200, 4220, 4240, when I will change it to A, it'll start to appear here. This 00 will appear here for a subtotal. So if I go here, take a look. And I will just, let me show you. There are G's and A's here, subgroup A. And you can actually do all of them at the same time because the next number is 4220. You go here and you'll get 4220. Again, make it to A. And notice, I'll show you, it has now started to become a subtotal. Again, this one is also A, and you save and close. And once you do that, you will see they will give you a subtotal. Here you go. And it should be followed by a subgroup total, which is you have to open up 4260 net sales. Let me see, it must say it there. Yeah, you see the next one they say is you have to open up an account 4260. So these are all little tricks that you have to know how to do subtotals. For example, GST, QST, they have to get a subtotal. So you see 4260, then they said change to type S 4260. That was also G. So once you do the S, it automatically gives you a thing like this. So you can change whichever accounts you want. You see here, so bank advances should read 2120, bank loans is type G. Okay. It was given as bank advances 2130. They said we should change the number and the name. So change this number to 2120 and call this, instead of bank advances, call it bank loan. The type of account is group account G. So when you see G's and A's here, Don't get all confused. They are all in here. Here and here, and let's see, show you here. Here, when you open an account, you can change whether it's a subgroup account, it's a subgroup or subtotal, subgroup total. Is it a heading? Is it a total? Remember, we basically kept all of them in our first problem as G. Didn't have to do a subtotal. But if I need my GST, QST subtotal, GST payable, GST to be paid, or charge on services and charge on purchases, then you can do this. Take a look on your chart of accounts. You can create them in a way that they have subtotals like this. See this? So you will have here GST charge on sales will come here. GST paid on purchases will come here, and the net amount of GST owing or refund will come into this total here. So when you make your return for GST, QST, you can actually just take the figures from here and put them in. The QST is, this is QST here. So GST payable, QST payable. And they write the word refund because you might be that you have more money you paid than you actually receive from sales, so it will give you a different, your debits are higher than your credits. So
Excuse me, Mr. Tariq,
yeah,
can we have this exercise later without changing, like to practice it myself or the others?
no, this is all set up. There is
Yeah, I
nothing
know,
else.
because now you change and it is changing on my computer. So that's why I'm asking, is it possible like to have it without changing and we practice it?
Yeah, that's what I just said. I will send you the file without those changes. I just told you.
But when I'm trying now to changing, but because you are changing, I think it's changing with us too.
No. I said I will send you the new file.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, I'm just trying to show you right now how you can do it, but you will get the file without the changes, so you can change them.
Okay.
Here I changed it first to show you that was the original. In this one, I was just trying to show you because I cannot really have. I mean, I could have changed all of them first and then showed you, but then your file is not good. Let me see what they have. Next is.
Excuse me, sir.
Mhm.
Could you please show us the subgroup S, the S1 here?
Mhm.
Which one is that? Because we have subgroup total and A and that, but S, which one is S? Change to type S subgroup total.
No, you have to understand, and the thing to understand is that all your chart of accounts, the whole chart of accounts, I'll show you. It doesn't work. It will always be started with an H and it finishes with a T.
Okay.
Now, if you have two bank accounts and you want a subtotal of your cash, how do you do it? Instead of saying a Royal Bank as G account, you call it type A.
Okay.
Then you have Bank of Montreal here, you say type A. But in order for the system to work, you should also have a subtotal of these two.
Okay.
And that subtotal is called S. So you say total cash, and it should be S, and the total will come automatically here.
Could you please go to the window, sir, where we change the accounts like group, subgroup, and total?
Oh, I see. Here. So you see.
Yes. Yes,
so
one is heading.
Total cash is defaulted S. Okay. But
Okay.
bank checking, Royal Bank checking account is subgroup A.
Yes.
So everything has to have a total. If you have an A, it should be followed by an S.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
But you have to have on top, you should have an H heading, and at the bottom, at the end, you should have a T for a total.
Yes.
So if you
Yes.
notice here, the thing in between, there are A's and S, but here, see this?
Thank you.
It starts with H,
Yes. And end with
and
the
then
T.
and then you know A and A, right? So you
Yeah.
have, let's say you have 3 banks.
Yes.
So the 3 bank names will be, those accounts will be A, and A.
And then S.
And then if you don't have an S, the system won't work.
Okay.
You see here?
Yes.
I'm going to delete it. Now the system won't work. You take a look. Reports and balance sheet. And okay. Hold on. Is my A.
Yeah. S is gone.
Yeah, S is gone.
Yes.
Yeah, but you see, I'll tell you now. Okay, so this would have been total cash. I will tell you.
Total
This one.
receivable is there.
No. The reason why it open is because the S is here, but
Yes.
so I will remove this S instead of the other one. So let me create. You see, because it still has it S
Yeah.
after the A's. So here we had what 12 1060 1080. I'll just go back to it in the tab, and this is total cash.
And how do you know that after this account, like
No,
10-0?
no. The reason why what I'm doing is it still worked because there was A,
No.
and S.
Yeah,
Okay?
exactly. Yeah. Because of that, it's working. But
Okay,
the
so now
accounts.
if I delete this one,
Mhm.
then it won't work.
Okay.
What is this? Total receivable, right? You see, now you can see the little window. It
Exactly.
says your accounts are not in logical order. The
Yes.
reason is there is a missing subgroup total. It tells you on the on your notice there on the error. 1,300 prepaid expenses deposit. So you say until the issue is resolved, you cannot open some of your reports. So if I
Perfect.
go back now and say total receivables, which was, what was the number? 1230, we can make it whatever. Let me see. Because this was probably one of the files I'd already used it. That's why. So we have total receivables that make it 1230. And now you actually, if you see this, you have to now create this. And now you have to put S on it. See this?
Yes.
So now if I say save and close, it'll work. And all you have to do is, in order to check, you go here, you go to reports, and you go balance sheet.
Okay.
And you say, okay, if the balance sheet opens, that means your accounts are okay. You see this?
Yes.
Otherwise, it won't open. It'll say your accounts are not in logical order.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
No problem. Okay, so this is bad debt and the following accounts. Let me see here. 525. Everybody knows how to add accounts, right? Create accounts. You can do that. No. Okay, let me see. 5250 adjustment write-off.
Check with Samia. If she knows, then it's okay.
Yes. What did you say?
I said, let's check with Samia. If she knows, then it's okay.
No, she knows. She created them. 5250. Yeah, so they have created this. Okay, let me see. Okay, so delete. Yes. Let me show you. 542, 5452, 452. And then you have 5660. Five, 620. Okay. So let's see here. They're asking you. So don't look at your thing. I think they already have. I'll just say that this is how the file should be. So we do not really have those accounts. So if you go and check as to what the problem is saying, let me show you. It's saying, could you please add the following accounts? And they give you the type. Adjustment write-off 5250 should be type A. QPIP is G, and the rest of them are G, and then there is QPIP is type A. So just to give you an idea that it basically it works the same. Oops, what happened here? Two, 20224. All right. So they're asking you how there are quite a few accounts which they want you to add. So this is where is my, these are the accounts they want. Adjustment write-off, QPIP expense, amortization expense, bad debts, and all you have to do is just go back into your system and start adding the or creating the accounts one after the other, and you'll be here. So you go here, you go chart of accounts, you go create, and you get to the small window. And the small window you have is this. So what's your first account we have to create here? 5250 adjustment write-off. 5250 adjustment write-off. And they say it should be, they tell you it should be type A. So it should be type A and create another because you have still a few to add. 5452 QPIP expense. 5452 QPIP expense. And that should be G, they said. So create another. Then they ask you 5660 amortization expense. 5660 amortization expense. It's a group account. Next.
56.
Next one is 5620 bad debts. 5620 bad debts. Create another. Everybody knows that, no? How to create accounts?
But it is already in J.
No,
Time.
no, I know. I'm just trying to show people because I deleted them and then I'm just showing this is how you do it.
Mm.
I deleted in my file. Don't look at your
Yes,
file.
yes, okay.
So I'm just saying, look, this is how you'll do it.
Yeah, okay.
And then you have 2202, which is QPIP payable. 2202 QPIP payable. And they said it should be group A account, subgroup A. And you go create another. And I think they have more, but I just, so 2240, is it there? Okay, I'll create this one. 2240, and this is RRSP plan payable. RRSP plan payable. So everybody understands what I did was, you have it, so don't look at yours because it's already been changed. But I'm saying this is how it will look like. These accounts will not be here. So you can just add it. It's just the same way you actually create the chart of account. It is no different. So, okay, so that's the part there. Because they're asking you to do quite a few things before, if you have a chart of account. And this is done because sometimes you can actually get a chart of account from the system itself. And so so that you don't have to create all of them. So when you have all the accounts with you, then you can actually just change them or delete them, or so you already have those accounts. So let me see now. We have a right here. Where is my instruction? Okay, so this one is done. Company name and address, we all know you have to go set up settings information. So you can actually, I can show you, this is already probably in there. Here, set up settings information. And here's your name of the company, address of the company, phone number, business number. So if you see in your instructions given to you, you will have that here. Oops. In your instructions. See, all this is already given to you. Now, Condor will use all orders and quotes. They will use accounting terms. So now this one here, they didn't give you, according to setup settings, they don't tell you that. They ask you to go yourself and find it. So where will you find all orders and quotes? So we will have to go and take a look. Where will you find accounting terms? Where will you find business number? Where will you find income one, salary? They will not use other types of income. Where will you find deduction RRSP, deduction 2 CSB, deduction 3 group? So in the beginning, you will find it's a little bit confusing, but after a while, I mean, look, salary must be payroll. Deductions must be payroll, deduction must be payroll, deduction must remove deduction D, they are all again payroll. Remove all expense and entitlement codes, again payroll. Printer settings are automatic, no change required. Use check number as source code. Set up settings, and then you'll have to go into system, or we'll see as to where we can find it. Next receipt number, again, this will be in the receivables. It will be under forms. Next invoice number, again, forms, quotes, orders, deposit. So in the beginning, you will see, you will have that difficulty, but after some time, you will start to realize that it's not really. So if you go here and you go into the system, what's happened to on my system? What's happened here? Why is it doing this? Okay. Oh, I see. I had that window. Okay. So once you go into here, before we even do it, I'll take you through the system here. So they're saying, according to what they're asking you, they're saying Condor will use all orders and quotes. So go setup, go settings, and orders and quotes. Maybe it's under forms, maybe it's not under form, they might be under receivables. Okay, so you have to look for those things. You understand? But here, let me see what happened. I don't have my receivables and payables on this one. Okay. So setup, settings. Okay, let me see. So you can always go through and check as to where you can find. So let's say here forms, no. Backup features, no, because we have taken out the receivables and payables, so it will not really give us for the moment. So cancel this. So let's see here, setup, user preferences, view. I had taken it off actually. So these are all going to be here, here, here. So, okay. So you see now take a look, and you go setup, you go settings, you go forms. These are your forms. Okay. So they make sure that if you do not have the, they will be using all these sales quotes, sales orders, receipts, and then they will tell you as to what those numbers are later on. So these are already, let me see here.
Excuse me, can you repeat, open it, because I think it's not the same as me.
So you go No, because it will not be. So you go here. I'll tell you what to do. Go set up.
Yes, set up
Go
setting.
use user preferences. No, user preferences. Go view
Okay.
and click all of them because they're all taken out. I was trying to set up this file, and I think I took them all out.
Okay.
And you just say okay. Let me see for 1 minute as to what I have other than this Condor 1 2024. Okay, no. Okay, Condor.
Setting.
Pretest 2, no, pretest 1. Okay, let me see here. In 1 minute, I will tell you. Chart of accounts. This is already done. This is the not good. Condo version. Test 2022. Mhm. I'm trying to find a file which is without all this because it's creating my problem is not going with that because it's already done there. The later part is okay on it, but I think it's just this first part has already been done on it. You see, so we have quotes. This has to be done. Hero. Taxes. Deductions. Yeah, they are already done. Cancel. Okay, let me see. Open. Yes. Okay. Let's see this one. Okay. All right. What I'll do is I will send you this.
ما شاء الله اليوم شو يساوي ما شاء الله تبارك الله شفت ال 7000 فايل ما بعرف شو خلصنا اليوم وتشكرت
الله يطلع في وشه. زي ما بقول لك يعني ممكن احنا وندفع المبلغ وكل شيء ولا يدخل بالكرت شيء 7 سنين يقعد يعلق فيه. هذا بكره بده يشتري بيت يشتري كذا كله ما بصير.
يا رب ان شاء الله باذن الله يا رب.
مش انا بس بدي اشتغل يعني وذاك يعني
حكيت معه طرقته كم كلمه قلت له هلا وقت بتروحي على
بدي نتائج. نحن نتعاون ننتهي ما نجي ننتقل لك بنت الناس ما في.
امبارح قال لي انه حط له المصاري اللي كان عليه قلت له ما بتروح على تورنتو ترجع له كل اللي له عليك هلا اشتغل. انا والله معلش يعني عم بحمسه شوي.
متابعة وعندنا صرف وعم بحاول وانا عم بحاول عم باخذ دورة مشان عقد ما عم نستقبل الناس وما عم نجيب كذا حرام صار عمره 30 سنة وهذا اخوك وعم بصرف علينا معلم عم سامي مصاري عامي عم بحطها عم حرفز بدك ندخل فوق كل يوم عن الصبح لبس بده يقتل يروح عند رفيقه يساوي كذا انا بحكي معه ومبابد عليه كثير بدك انت تحكي معه وهذاك لما بده يحكي معه ما يقتله. فهمت علي كيف؟ بصير عم برد مثل ما قلت لك كان عم بشتغل مشان بده يتجوز وصار بطل يشتغل. هاي اللي عم بيقول لك انه ال1000 تعطيك اياها وال 6000 وكذا هي كلها ناتجه عن الاي اف اي اللي عم ياخذوا هو الاي اف اي. مو من انه نجم عم بيشتغل كل شهر طلع له 7000 10000 راح 12000 مره عم طالع. زلمه جمعها 200 300 الف دولار بده يفتح محل هلا. انت ايش قاعد عم تسوي؟ ردد لي على فلان وردد لي على هذا علان وهذا ده خدمته وهذا اخذته على المستشفى وهذا مدري ايش. طيب وبعدين نحن اولى ولا اولى ولا بدك تحكي معه باسلوب
وين هو؟
لطافه. عم اشتغل لي شغله مسويها.
So you can open that now. I just uploaded another file. I hope that's the right file.
Mr. Tariq,
Yeah,
yesterday video was not uploaded to the file.
was it?
I couldn't find the yesterday recorded session.
Maybe. I think I did. Anyway, I'll check. I'll put it up. Yeah, if you find it's not there, let me know. Okay. So you should have this now. If you, all of you, if you want, take a look at it. If you open it. Good. Just copy it to your desktop and then
It's not a new company, right, sir?
pardon?
It's not a new company, it's existing company, right?
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same company, but Condor. It'll be Condor, okay?
Yes, sir.
So when you open it, you should have this file. Let me show you. Good. Says Condor. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So if you see now, okay, so if you start from the beginning, they say delete the following accounts. Okay. Let me see if it has this.
It will take
Delete.
time to open, sir.
Oh, okay. All right. Just we'll wait.
عند الباب مباشرة تضيق انا عارف مثل ما لا انت نزل هنا شو هي السبت وأحد بنرتبها كلها على بعض ماشي.
هي بس تعمل لها سكان. انت عندك الحساب تبعك، اذا ما عندك اياه امشي على راتبك على كل الاحوال. انا ما راح تلزمك يعني، بس انه مشان المرات الجايه بس تعمل لها سكان، تدخل تعمل لوج ان، بتقول له شو الجهاز اللي بدك تركبه، بيطلع لك فيديو بشرح لك فيه كل شيء.
جهاز الهيليفاكس ولا جهاز الكمبيوتر؟
الجهاز
جهاز
هو على كل الاحوال.
هذا بيلزم شيء؟
هلا حاليا لا، بس خلينا على كل الاحوال.
Let me know when you're all ready. People have opened it.
Start back. It will take a little bit more time. I don't know why it's taking too much time for me.
No, because it must be upgrade up. Probably it is. I think it updates a little bit
Yes,
because you must see those two lines running, right?
yes.
Yes.
Because I use my old version, so it doesn't.
So now the chart of account with the debit and credit numbers is all on it.
Pardon?
I mean, all the amount for every account now it is there on the new one, the updating one.
Yeah, you don't have any numbers there.
I have,
The amounts.
yes.
It's not this. It's not the one I'm showing you.
The last one that you already uploaded.
The one I just sent you is not the one the same as on my screen here.
No, there are numbers in the chart of account.
Oh, you do?
Yes.
Yeah.
What did I just hold on with the now? Which one did I send? Gee. Okay.
Yes, it has numbers, sir.
Oh, no. Oh man, there's so many files I have here. Okay, so we got this guy here, 9 student copy. Does it say backup? No. Oh, delete that, please. Oh, backup. It's this one.
Delete it?
Yeah, because you see, it should say backup. Does it say backup?
For
No.
me, no. For me, it asked me for a backup, and I did it.
No. That is the name of the file, the zip file. Is it backup or not?
No. It's not backup.
It's
Okay.
student copy.
Oh, it's the same.
Yes,
So
student.
student copy. No.
Yeah,
no.
and it's just updating.
Okay, no, I'll inside the you should have Do you have few of them?
Should have what?
Do you have a few files inside?
Files.
Yes, there is
Inside.
a backup
Yes.
file as well.
Yeah, so backup, open the backup.
One
That,
minute.
it has 3 files in there or 2 files.
Correct, yeah.
Yeah, right? Backup, because you see what I did, I must have sent you the whole student copy because
So
it
we-
must have. Open
Sorry.
up the backup, open up the backup, delete this one and open up the backup.
Okay.
The backup is a zip file. So if you open backup, copy those ones. Those are the files. And see if that one works. That should give you this file. Because the one you must have started was the one which is already finished. It's a solution. Did it open?
Yes.
Okay.
Not for me.
Still updating?
I don't know, sir, what happened. It's not working for me.
No?
No,
It's-
I deleted the file and again download and extract everything. So I'm trying the backup the can do, right?
Yeah, hold on. Here you go. Upload files. And there you go. It is 9th student. Okay. Okay. Oh, did you get a backup now?
No.
A backup zip.
Yes, I said
Yeah, open that one. Open
you
that
know,
one.
okay, I'm gonna try and select existing company. Okay, let's see. Maybe it work.
If you see in there, you will have the file there.
I'm trying, sir. I hope it open this
Mhm.
time. Start.
So use this backup if the other one is not opening. Backup zip.
Yes, I'm trying, sir.
Okay.
Let's see.
Samia, what happened?
The backup doesn't open.
The one I sent you, the backup? No.
Yes.
I just sent you another one.
Even another one? Okay.
Yeah, that's the one I'm saying. Open up, all of you. Just get out of the old one, go into the new backup
Yes.
zip. It's called backup zip. That will work.
Yes. I downloaded and I open it, but doesn't open. It's told me that this company couldn't open.
Oh, yeah?
I'm gonna try again.
Okay. So you have to copy and put it on your desktop.
Yes.
Okay. So there are 2 files, right? Or 3 files there is a little, let me see. It should have 4 files. It should have 2021 backup, Condor, SAG, and Condor.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay, so it should open. Just click on Condor with the blank.
Cannot open company file.
So you're clicking on Condor?
Yes, it says copy Condor's file is missing. Check your data. Maybe I need to delete the one.
Yeah. Delete
I
them
see.
and then just.
Okay.
So it should have 4 files, just put them on.
Okay.
Yes, I done. I have done. There are no numbers in the chart of account.
Okay, it's okay. So that's the file. So it opened? Yeah.
Yes, open.
Okay, all right. So Lou, you got that?
I got 2, sir.
Okay, all right. So you should have basically you should have this file here. Okay, here. You should have inventory 1500 there, right? You have this? Yes, no? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So this is the one because I have so many files there that I really don't know sometimes which one I sent because there's some of them are same names in different folders. Who else? Who else is still opening? Samia? Who else is there? Who is opening?
I'm still waiting.
Okay. So if you see your the assignment, it says delete 1500 inventory assets total and 1590 total inventory assets, and then 1080, 1083, 1089, 1090. So take a look here. So they're saying delete this, and you can either go file and remove and say yes, or you can go this 1520 also, or you can go here, this little icon, and you go click on it and you say yes. Make sure you highlight your, and then they're saying 1598 is also supposed to be deleted. That's your first part. Then they also ask you to delete 1080, 1083. So
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
I don't have 1590. 10. Sorry.
Yeah, you have all of them.
After
have
inventory,
You have
1500.
1080.
It's one after 1500.
Yeah.
Okay, 10.
After 1500, 1590.
Yes. No, I don't have 1590. It's 1520 and
Yeah,
1560.
okay. And then you have 1080.
Yes, I have Visa.
So delete that.
Okay.
Yeah, so 1590 they would ask you to. Then they said to delete 1083, 1089, 1083, 1089. Okay. Then they tell you to delete 1090, 2140, 2140 credit card payable. And then they tell you to delete 5645.
Du Canada, IoT Cash AMJ, FaceTime vidéo.
5645 credit card charges. Say yes. So after they've done that, they ask you to modify the following accounts. So they said 2230, instead of WCB payable, it should be CSST payable. So CSS WCB payable here. Okay. So we have WCB payable here. So click on it and you'll go into the next window. That's what I was showing you earlier. And just change WCB to CSST. What's your next one they're changing? 5440 WCB expense. They want you to change the account number to 5480 and the name to CSST expense. So you can actually push it down here and you say WCB payable 5480 and this is CSST. Or you can go one by one and CSST expense, and you can then go into what else do they want to change? They want to change 1400. So, you know, you can actually go here, and it'll show you this window, it'll drop it. You don't have to go back and forth. You can, otherwise you have to save and come back here. Total assets, it should be what, 1590, they said?
It should be 1599.
1599. So just put 1599. Total assets stays the same.
Total current assets. Current assets.
Yeah, total current assets, okay? And then the 1520, it should be inventory A should read 1500.
1500, yeah.
Okay, so you see what, because I know what I did. I actually, I had deleted it by mistake, so I'll go back and create it. So what did the numbers say? They said to make it into
1500.
Into 1500. So I'll just put 1500.
1520 to be.
Yeah, I know. I deleted it by mistake. So it should read inventory.
Inventory type G.
The G is the G is this. What they're saying.
Group
okay,
account.
So the next one is
3600 should read net income.
Okay, 3600, right? So go here. Okay, so create. Okay, hold on. Cancel. So create another, and then you go here, and you go to 3600. Otherwise, you can go back and forth. It doesn't matter. 3600, and it should be net income.
Current earning.
Should be net income.
Yes, should be net income.
So you cannot change the number because it's given to you.
Yeah.
And so we have the next one, and the next one is 4200. Yeah, should be changed to subgroup A's. Okay, so all you do, you go here, and you go for 4200 here. All you do is you're changing this here. You see this, and then the next one you click here, and it'll show up 4240.
Yes.
40s. And then the next one, how many are there?
It is three accounts. 4200, 4220, and 4240.
Okay, 4220. Okay, here also subgroup. Okay.
Yes.
And tab, and then you say they said that the next one should be subgroup total.
Yes, which
net
is
sales should be subgroup total here.
Yeah.
Okay, you see my cursor? It's a little small.
Yes.
Okay. So you can change all of them there. So now here, 4260 change to, okay, we did that. 4400 change the type to type G. 4400. So again, I can actually go from here. 4400, if it's not too far, should be G. Cannot be heading. Okay. And then 2130 bank advances should be changed to 2120 and should
Yes.
be called bank loans. So again, here you drop down here. So look for 2000, which is bank loans they have. Okay, two here. Bank advances. They said to change it to 2120
2120 bank loan.
and bank loan. So you can, they're asking you to change both the number and the name here, okay? It's just a practice so people can understand as to what they have to do. Then they have is, okay, so that's done. And then they have to change it to G, right?
Yes, but it's already G. It's a
already
group
G.
account.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can we can save and close, and then now go back into our system to see what else do they want us to do. Again, you still have to go again back into into the next window. Add the following accounts. So we all know how to add. You just go here and you click, and that small window appears, and you just go into the small window and tell me the name of the accounts. Or the number of the accounts you have to add are, okay, 25250 adjustment write-off, 5250 adjustment write-off. And it should be a subgroup account, right? Create another. Then we have 5452 QPIP expense. 5452 QPIP expense. QPIP expense. And go create another, because they're asking you to create them. It's a G anyway. 5660 amortization expense. Amortization expense. Create another.
5620 bad debit.
Okay, 5620 bad debts. 5620 bad debts.
5G.
5G. Next.
2202.
2202.
Yes, QPIP payable.
QPIP payable. Yes. It's a type A.
Yes.
Type A. Next.
2240 RRSP.
2240. Yes.
RRSP plan payable.
RSP plan payable. RRSP plan payable.
5G.
5G.
And 2250.
2250.
CSB plan payable.
CSB plan.
CSB.
Yeah. CSB.
IG.
Plan payable.
Yeah. 2260.
2260.
Group insurance payable.
Okay.
Type G. Group insurance payable.
5G.
And 2640 loans and loans from owner. 2640.
40. And this is loan from shareholders?
So loan from owner.
From owner. Oh.
5G.
Okay. So this is done, right?
Yes.
So now we are ready to put the company name, address, and whatever. So we go again into system here, sharing, and now we can go straight into our, okay, pretest one, SAY. Okay, setup, settings, information. Okay, so we can now, the company name is there. What's the address?
7250
7250. Yes.
Souvenir Street,
Oh,
Montreal.
souvenir. Okay, souvenir street.
Montreal, Quebec.
Okay.
And
City.
the postal code.
It's
Yeah.
Quebec, right?
Yes.
Or is it Montreal, Quebec?
This is city or Canada City or no? No,
Oh,
country.
yeah, city. Yeah, okay, good. Okay,
We don't
postal.
need to Montreal here, city.
Oh, this is Montreal.
Yes.
Okay, and then we
And
have
postal code H3W 4A3.
483.
And phone number
Phone number
514-725 6647.
Okay. And business number, no. Okay, so that's it.
Yes.
Right? Okay, so next thing they're asking is setup. So the next thing they're asking now is Condor will use all orders and quotes. So we have to go back into here. It's all under the system here. Setup, settings, and you have forms. Where is forms? Here. So we click them. Okay, invoices. What did they say? All
orders and quotes.
Okay, all orders and quotes. So we have them defaulted here.
Account terms.
Pardon?
The accounting terms.
Oh, accounting terms. So that you have to go back into, so do that. Okay. Then you have to go set up. So you have to remember these things, but when you do it, then you know it's user preference. It's user preference options here.
Okay, use accounting terms.
Use accounting terms. Okay, good.
Yes, business number.
Okay, now, so you go set up. So they move you around so that you understand that. So
yes.
Information and then business number here.
Yeah, okay. It's 728 546
yes
987.
Okay. Okay. And then we are okay here. Then we go to the next item and it says business number is done now. Income one, salary is now you have to start looking at it and say, where can this be? It belongs to payroll, right? You understand?
It's belong to what? Sorry?
Payroll.
Ah, okay.
You see income with payroll.
Yeah.
RRSP must be payroll deduction.
Okay.
So you can, after a while, you start to know where to go. Okay.
Okay.
So remove deduction is also payroll. Remove all expense and entitlement, that's payroll. Printer setting doesn't have to be. So let's go and check on our thing. And it's not that. Once I give you the ideas. So you see setup, you go settings, right? Now look for payroll. Do you have payroll here?
Yes.
Okay,
It is
payroll.
down. Yes.
Payroll. As soon as you click on payroll, see this? All these things will appear.
Summary.
So first, so they say income.
Income.
Okay. So what did they say? They said that
salary.
Income one, salary. So income one. Yeah. Here is your income C, income one here. Okay. Because ABC salary. Income one is salary. We already have that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Next.
They will not use other types of income. Remove them.
Yeah, so what they're saying that you can remove these. Delete.
Okay.
Delete. delete, delete, delete.
Uh-huh. All of it.
Yeah. How many incomes do they have? Okay. Okay, next.
Deduction 1, RRSP.
Okay, so all of you, you can see it here.
Yes, deduction here, yeah.
Deduction. So this one, first one, RRSP.
Yes.
Okay, deduction 2.
CSB
Yeah,
plan.
Canada Saving Bond. This is an old one. We used to have Canada Saving Bond deduction from people used to say you can deduct it and buy it for us from the company. Okay.
Deduction 3,
Yes.
group insurance.
Okay. So we go to 3, group insurance.
Then remove deduction D to deduction J.
Yeah. So all you do is you go delete, 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 delete to deduction J.
Yes, yeah, for here.
Okay. Okay.
We have to remove even J or not?
Yeah, yeah. They say
deduction D to G. Okay, yeah, to J.
up to
Yes.
J. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Then
we
remove
say-
all expense and entitlement
Remove all
codes.
expense. Yeah, that's okay. So all entitlements, it's okay. We don't have any.
We will not use them. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Print-
okay.
Printer setting are automatic.
That's okay. No problem there.
Okay. Use check number
Yeah.
as source code.
Okay, so we have to go into, now we have to look up where is this source code.
Source
Maybe it is under system, use cache basis. Now use check number as source code is under system. So it's not click it.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah. Okay.
Do not allow transactions before. So here you will have to do 2014. Okay, that's fine. Because it will give you the thing. Always just make it the year you're using for your. Okay, next.
Next, receipt number
210.
210.
210, right? So go
Yeah.
into forms, okay, and you will see receipt number. It will be under forms 210.
210.
Okay, next.
And next invoice number 330.
Here's your invoice. So
330.
0. So this is your first, will be on the computerized accounting, this number.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Codes, orders, and deposits start at number 1.
And that's okay.
Yeah. And then hide the project and terms and billing. You will
Okay,
not
now
use
you
that.
have to make sure that you understand before you go there, you say, okay. Otherwise, nothing will be saved because now you're going to go into preferences.
Yeah.
You're going to go into user preference. And they're asking you, do you want to see these other, this is what they're saying. Which ones do you don't want? You don't want projects, you don't want, so you go into view and check off the ones you do not really, which ones are they? Projects and time and billing. So take a look. Projects is here, take it off. Time and billing is here.
And billing.
Take it off.
Yeah.
So now your projects will disappear. You see, which you see on the side here, it will disappear once I say okay.
Mhm.
You see this project disappeared here. So as I said, few times when we do it, you will be fine. But in the beginning, it looks very daunting for. So now other information, Quebec sales tax registration number. So you have to go into sales tax, right?
Yeah.
So just go here, and we all know we created the taxes. Setup, settings. Do you see sales tax?
Sales taxes.
It's sales tax. Go into taxes. Here's your number, ID, GST number. What's your GST number they're giving you?
44987. 44987
That's it.
361 R like rabbit, 0001.
Okay, R1. Okay. So this
It's
is
not typing on your end.
yeah. You know why? Eh?
Yeah,
Why?
you need to double click.
No. Because if you see at the bottom, my small windows are open.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you should
Ah.
close this as well.
Okay, so cancel here, close this, and close this is okay. And now let's see. Set up settings. Sometimes it blocks it, okay?
Sales tax, taxes.
Okay, now so give me again number.
44987 2361 R 0001.
So you see now it's writing.
Yes.
Just to give you an idea, that's what happened. And then it says the
Deduct-
next Quebec is
deduct
okay. Deduct
CSB.
CSB after taxes. So now they're moving you around. Go into payroll. Because we just did CSB, right?
Mhm.
Under taxes.
Taxes.
No, sorry, deductions. You see CSB?
Yes, CSB after taxes.
And they're saying that the CSB should be deducted after tax. Deduct after taxes. You have to click here. You can see it.
Mhm.
If you don't, then they will not. They will deduct before taxes.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
All right.
Deduct
Next thing
group insurance after taxes.
yeah, the same thing.
Yes, in the same place.
Okay.
And then EI factor.
Yeah, EI factor is under taxes.
Yes.
Taxes is 1.4. It's already there.
Yes.
Okay, next.
QHSF factor 2.7.
Okay, so this we have to change 2.7. Okay.
Vendors and purchases aging 30, 60, 90.
Yeah, so now they're moving you around.
Yeah.
What did they say? Vendors, right?
Yes.
So you got to go into payable.
It's vendor and purchases, so the two.
Yeah, but you see, they are saying that the options. What are the terms of trade?
30,
What?
60, 90. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Next.
Customers and sales informations.
Yeah, customer said that you have to go into receivables now.
Mm-hmm.
Open it up. This plus sign and minus sign. It'll open both sides, here and here. Click anywhere. It doesn't matter. So they said vendors, customers is so they're asking you for options here. What is it? 210? Sorry, discounts.
Sales information, customers and sales information terms 210 and 30.
210 and
30.
Next 30 days. Yeah, pay the net in 30 days.
Yes, and then aging.
Okay, aging is options.
Yes, 15, 30, and 45.
15, 30, and 45. Okay.
It charges 1%.
Okay, so they're charging. So you have to go interest charges. They do charge 1%.
Yes.
1, just write 1.
And interest after 45 days.
Yeah, it's all right. Instead of 90, 45 days if it's overdue.
In calculation discount before taxes.
Yeah. So.
And tax codes.
Okay, so we will have to go into, because here they don't give you the before or after taxes. So we'll have to check where are they going under this. Calculate early payment discount before tax or after tax?
Calculate discount before tax.
Before tax.
And
Otherwise,
tax codes.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's a higher discount.
Yes.
Okay.
And for new customer will be GST 5% and QST 9.975%.
So this is this customer sales 210 to charge 1% 45 discount tax codes for new customers. So So we have to, basically what they're saying is for we don't have the percentages yet, okay, or the customers yet. So they are just telling you now that it will be the tax codes they are giving you for new customers will be GST 5% and QST 9.9. So we have to create this. This is the sales tax they're telling you to calculate. So what's your codes? You can.
The codes for new customers, you mean? No.
It's not for new customer. This is sales tax codes.
Yeah. Okay.
So this we have to go now into tax here, sales tax. Here. Taxes. GST.
5%.
Hey, no, we have to first, we have to go into GST. Where is my GST paid on? GST paid and GST charged on sales. And say report is yes. And then now we go into codes. And here, this is the debt. We go here. So just write G. Because it only takes two letters for the codes, G. And I think they didn't really give you a full thing, but again, you have to do the same thing. Okay, GST is 5%, so you have a GQ. This is your tax code, GST. And so, but before we do that, we missed it, or you have to go back.
Yeah, there is EQ and GQ.
No, here, QST. No, it'll work both together, but you have to.
Okay. No, I mean, they said tax code as EQ and GQ.
Oh, they did give you, right? Okay, we'll take a look at this. So this is GST, and now this is QST.
So it is this four EQ, GQ, EF, GF, and E.
No, we'll just say no. We'll take just two. This is the old system there. I'll tell you. We just it calculates it both together. GST paid and GST QST charged. Say yes. Okay. So now we go for the code.
Tariq, for the first one, I think you should change it because you also put QST. It should be GST. No?
No, I think.
Go back. GST. Yes, the first one, GST. Go to the account to track. First one is GST paid on purchase. For the second one, like next to it, it should be GST charged on sales.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I used the wrong. This one. Thank you. Yeah, we would have funny numbers. Thanks. So this now, you go into tax codes, and where is my? So do you have the codes also on it?
Yes.
Underneath here?
Tax code as EQ, GQ.
No, just forget that. No, I'll tell you that. I will tell you, it must be, this is an old, I don't know how you got that one then. Okay, let me see.
If you put enter on the line, it's gonna you're gonna see it, because first I couldn't see it, but.
Oh, it's somewhere because I deleted some of those.
So I put enter on the line, so it.
It was in there. Yeah. Okay, so GQ, this is GST, QST, and you say we will write here the GST 5%, QST 9.975%, not included, not included. Refundable. Okay. So both of them are not included. Means not included in the total, okay? So then you go into click here. And so here, GST, 5%. No, and is it refundable? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, QST. And this is 9.975. And refundable, yes. And you say, okay. And this gives you your, and you say, okay. And then you enter your trial balance, okay? So we'll enter the trial balance and then we'll stop here because we went, otherwise we would have gone a little bit further. My mistake, I don't know which files I have to, again, after this, I have to find out. I have to delete some of those. Okay, so you have to give me now the trial balance when I go into. So make a journal entry. I always told you, with opening balances, make a journal entry. Don't go directly. I will do the direct method also later on, but this will be your trial balance. Okay.
Trial balance, date.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. The date is okay. It's 1st of October. Okay.
My birthday.
Hey.
My
Your birthday? Okay, happy birthday, Samia. Okay, is there petty cash?
Okay, so it is petty cash. Yes, 100.
900?
100.
Oh, 100. Okay.
A checking bank account.
Yes.
55,148.
Okay, this is bank account 55,000.
148.
148.
00.
Yeah, that's fine.
Accounting receivable. Accounts receivable.
Yes.
4,800.
4,800. Yes.
Allowance for debit fuel.
Doubtful accounts. Yes.
It is in
credit, no?
In credit, yes.
How much?
500.
100.
Sorry,
yes.
sir, you're not sharing the journal.
Oh, sorry.
Just to let you know.
Yeah, I thought you see it. Come on.
No, the thing is, you're sharing. You're not sharing the full screen. You're sharing each slide by slide. So we need to remind you every time.
Oh no, it's
But
fine.
that's okay.
That's okay. Believe me, Bashar. Okay, go ahead.
Prepaid expense and deposits. 27 and 50.
2750, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Inventory. 12,460, and it's on debit. Yeah.
Yes.
Office and furniture and equipment. 7,000.
7,000. Yes.
Accumulation, amortization.
Yeah, accumulated amortization.
It is in credit 700.
Okay.
Vehicle 48,000.
This is vehicle. Okay. Yes. How much?
1840. Yes.
Okay. How much?
18, the account number he said.
The vehicle is how much?
48,000. And right or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, go ahead.
And 21. Yeah, 21.
21,000.
21 account. 2100 account. It is accumulation amortization vehicle. No. It's not the credit
Account payable.
account. No, it's not account payable or no, before the account payable. 1845.
No,
18
amortization
the
vehicle is
account number.
7,200.
Yes, true,
So
through my
that's
mistake.
70 This is 7,200.
Yes.
That's
And
what I
then-
said. It is always credit.
Then account payable.
Yes. Accounts payable is 2,100. Yes, credit how much?
1400.
Okay, next.
It's not clear, the next one.
No.
I don't know.
Loans, 30,000. Bank loans, 2120. 30,000 credit.
Which one? Because I
Bank
mean,
loan.
it's a race. No, it's not.
Is it?
Yeah, I couldn't read it.
It's 30,000 bank loans, 2120.
21, yeah. No, it is erased on my.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I will send it to you again. 2120 does it say October 1, 2025?
2100 and 2120 bank loan.
Yeah, no. I'm talking about on top. Does it say the date October 1, 2025?
Okay. The date it is. Yeah, it's October 25.
Yeah, I don't know why it didn't go, but that's I have the screen on me. Okay, anyway, vacation payable.
It's just these two lines. I don't have it, but okay.
Okay.
Anyway, it's 21
2170.
2120.
No, 2120 is 30,000.
Yes, exactly.
Okay,
And
2170.
2170, 930.
30. And then what's the next number?
2180,
2180.
695.
Okay, next
2190,
2190. Yes.
and it is 2630.
Okay, next number
22,000.
2200. No.
2200, the account
okay.
number,
Yeah.
and it is 565.
Okay, next number.
Next number is 2205, which is 2,700.
Okay, 2,700.
Yes, 2,700. Yeah.
Next
And then
number.
2210,
Yeah.
425.
Okay, next number.
2230, 640.
Okay, 640. 640. Yeah, next number.
2240,
Yes.
420.
Yes.
2260, 250. 50, 250.
250. Yes.
2310,
Yes.
3,850.
Okay.
2315,
Yeah.
debit 2,020,
Oh,
200,
okay. Okay, yes. 2,000.
2,235.
Okay.
2340,
Yeah. Credit.
credit 4,625.
Yes.
2345,
Yeah, that's a debit.
debit, yeah, 2,265.
Yes.
2640, 15,000, 15,000.
No, 20.
It's
No,
on
2345, then 23.
2640.
No, hold on.
No, 2345,
2345, yes.
but it is.
No, after
No,
23.
there is an 2345, it is 2,265, and
fine.
2640,
Hold on. Okay, 2345,
Yeah, it is
Uh,
good, right?
2340.
And now 26,
2340 is missing.
there is a 2340, it is charged.
No,
Yeah,
okay, that's
it
fine.
is.
Yeah, you're right. 26.
Yeah.
26.
2640,
Yeah.
And 15,000, 1,500. Oh, no, 15,000.
Okay, 15,000, yes.
Yes. And then series 10,
Yeah,
it is 59,613.12.
okay.
Yeah, and 30, 15,
30,
15
Yeah.
debit 3,000.
yeah, okay.
And now we have 36, but it is current earning nothing.
Okay, no. Okay, hold
No
on.
need, no need, huh?
No need.
Yeah, 4200.
So we have 4,200, right? Yes.
Yes, it is
Uh,
195,000.
Okay, just hold on. 4,200. Credit 195. Yes, okay.
Yes. And 4,400,
4,400.
350, 350.
350 debit.
It's credit.
No, it's credit. Okay. G 350. Okay, next number is 4,420.
Yes, and it is a
And then
credit,
again, credit is
450.
Okay, then we have 4,440.
Yes, and it is even credit, 200,
200, yes.
4,460,
4,460.
100 credit,
100 credit,
5,200,
yes.
debit 98,650,
98,650, yes.
650, yeah. And
5220.
5,220,
Yeah,
250 credit,
250 credit, and then 5240.
5,240, 150 credit,
Yes,
5,300, 1,625,
okay.
5,410,
10,
56,730 debit,
yes.
5,420,
Yes,
1,757.53 debit,
0.53, right?
5,435,
5435, yes.
980.
5435 CSST expense, right?
Yes.
How come, what happened to it?
That's not it.
No, it's okay, because I think there must have been at 5435, you said, right?
Because we make changes for this account.
Yeah. But it was 5448, I think.
Yeah.
But anyway, they did not. Is it 5448 you're looking at?
5435. And it
No.
was before.
No, 5480, I think, should be on my.
54.
Just hold on. 5480. No. CSST expense,
Yes.
yeah, 5480.
Mhm.
Okay, select. Okay, well, how CSST? So we can change it 5480
Yes.
here.
Okay. It is 980 debit.
Okay. 900 debit.
980. 80.
Oh, 980. 980.
Yes. And
Okay,
then 5450.
Okay.
1,648.88.
Okay, so this is 51,648.58. Yeah.
0.88.
0.88. Because otherwise it won't be. That's why I ask people to use a journal entry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
5455.
Yes.
1,531.71.
Okay. 5610.
5610.
Yeah.
1500.
Okay.
5615. 500. Debit. 5640. 300.
5640.
Yes. 350. 5685. 2415.
2435.
15.
No,
15.
415.
Yes. 5690.
Okay. And then you have is 5690, right?
Yeah. 125.
125.
Debit. 5700.
Yes. Gee.
2000. 2435.
Yes.
5740.
Yes.
98. 5760.
5760.
8000. 5765. 9789.
9789.
And 5780.
5780.
825.
825.
And 5790.
5790. Better balance because 1925. Yeah, it did balance.
Yes.
It did
Exactly.
balance. Okay.
It's
Good.
balanced.
And so we will post it. Okay. I will just post it and it says yes, just go and then go into your share here and here, and then go into reports, go into financial, go into trial balance. Okay. And here's your trial balance. Here. There you go. There you go.
Mhm.
Good.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Mhm.
Samia, you're happy?
Yes.
We
If it is
wasted
balanced,
our,
if it is
we-
balancing, yeah, I'm happy.
we wasted in the beginning few, but I don't know what happened. But normally the pre-test they work fine, and so basically, if you see here, let me see here, share and this and this. Okay, so you see, I set it up now. It's set up now. Now I'm going to set up my, you see this here, receivables. I should have $4,800 worth of receivable invoices, and I should have $1,400 worth of accounts payable suppliers. So here you go. After this, you put in your customers, you could put in your suppliers, then you put in your historical data of your, then you put in your employees, and then you can put in your inventory, and then you can put in your outstanding customers and outstanding invoices, and everything should balance out. So we'll do the rest of it tomorrow. All right. Today's day is done. It was a little bit more intense because of my files being mixed up, but sorry about that.
It's
So
okay, sir,
I'll
no
see
problem.
all of you tomorrow. Yes, go ahead. Somebody asked.
Sir,
something?
yeah, about the email, I sent you something, sir.
Yeah. Okay, because I will have to ask somebody because these are
Okay.
things because it's like a private business. So the rest, everybody else, you can actually leave. I just wanted to talk to Balbasha. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
I'll
Good
see you
night.
tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Good night. Thank you. Have a good night.
Momdali, you're good.
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Samia is good today.